Okay, these are my ingredients for Scotch pancakes, aka drop scones, that's what I know them as. And in here I've got 100 grams of caster sugar. In here I've got 200 grams of self-raising flour. You can use plain or self-raising, it doesn't really matter. 2 eggs and a good 2 splashes of milk. I'm going to wrap all this up and now and head out to the woods. So that's me set off now, and I'm wearing a brand new Gore-Tex jacket that Mac Tightwad sent me. Got the pants to match too, so yeah, big thanks to him. And my only goal on this trip is to go out and make Scotch pancakes on the fire. So you've seen all my ingredients. I'm gonna head out, mix them up in my Zebra can, and I'll show you what I'm gonna cook them on. I'm just heading down the river now. Got the afternoon off work, so can't go fishing because I'll show you why shortly. So yeah, plodding on. I'm also checking out the quality of my new camera. Check it out. Sharpness. All the low parts of the waterways now are starting to flood over. We've had an excessive amount of rain in the last 24 out of 30 hours. So you see they're just flowing in now. So these low parts are quite dangerous this time of year. Definitely not fishing in there. A lot of vegetation starting to die down now. Another month and this will just be ground. There'll be nought. Water will come in and wash it all away. Sun will be going down very soon. You just see it shining through the clouds over there. Can't really see where it is. It'd be nice to get a fire going before it got dark like. There's, I normally just walk across that in trainers. That's the log bit that we're going to have to cross. Just because, yeah, there's nowhere to cross up there. It's really deep, but and flows fast. It's like a tube. It's a water tube. I'm actually really impressed with this. You can actually see. And I got across safe. It's a bit wobbly like, it's moved since last year, but across dry, I'm gonna look for some firewood. Look at that, this is another slipway through here. Here's an old fire pit of mine from the summer. Basically got all the rocks have even washed away. So yeah, that's gonna completely just be underwater within weeks, I'd say, like. But we'll keep a check on it and see. I'm gonna pop down on another little day trip and have a little flush through all the other camps to make sure they're alright. Because this has recently been washed out by the looks of it. See that all the little channel ways through it where the main vegetation has stayed fine, and then the lower down it's been washed out. Is the inner island completely swamped? There's a stream going through it that side, and it's just all very, very wet and sodden. I've still found no location to make my pancakes yet, but it is on the top of my priority, people. The very top of our priority. No one ever said that was easy firewood. There's a massive, huge dry one there that I really want to burn, but I can't get it because it's hooked under. Just out my reach. All I want to do is make some pancakes! Oh. That's my fire finally lit. It's like two meters, not even that, from the bit pretty much I've got my firewood where you just see me climb out onto. It's like a pathway on the inside where loads of trees are grown flush with the river. So yeah, I've just been scrapping firewood from there. Just like a pack of firelighters, 90p. Just everything's just flooded. This is literally the highest spot of this island. Is my fire, and that the river's there, and the flood veins come through here and over yonder where the old tripod is. a zebra can on. I'm going to have a coffee while I'm waiting on my fire getting to sufficient ashes, just because I want them to be right and I want to control the heat good, so I'll probably push all this aside and just cook on the bare ash, just because I don't really want any flames. I just want hot Scotch and heat underneath it. And I'm almost sure that this water has risen since I've been here. Not a problem though. I'm going to get this coffee out of here, cool that zebra can down and make this mix up. So I've got my flour, my sugar, I brought 3 eggs just in case I broke one on the way, but there was no casualties. So 2 eggs. Mix that bad boy in. My milk, I can't even put my knees on the ground because there's a puddle between my legs. There's a puddle. Now, you get a lot of people that they put there's hundreds of recipes for Scotch pancakes, but this is the way I like them done. That's pretty much a nice thickness, so that it spreads out once it hits the hot pan. Nice. There's a better close without my light completely dazzling it. So I've moved the fire aside. Nice bed of ashes here. Put this bad boy on and get that nice and hot. And it's not going to take long either. Oh yeah. Don't think this is hot enough, you know. Maybe. Oh no, it is. It is. It is. Maybe get a smaller one here. Oh yes. yes. Oh my god. Oh, look at the colour. You perfect Scotch pancake, you. Look at the colour shine on that. Oh, I hope my fire doesn't explode onto my onto my new Scotch pancakes. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a bit burnt. That is awesome. I'm going to set them to the side. And get me a giant one on the go. Oh, they smell amazing. Amazing. Oh, wow. Oh yes, that is the thing of beauty. Oh, it's loose. Oh yes. Nice. Ah. Look at that. Walks by head torch are awesome.